I want to go on to the next part. And special thanks to our sponsors. Without their support, this would not have been possible. Chef Online, Simple Move, Advanced Solution, Arable Travel, Polite Technology, and Sunmark Limited. They can be found on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Election Commissioner process. Election Commissioner Abdul Salaman JP to come on. Commissioner can read out the executive list members, please.
Assalamualaikum. As per memorandum and Salman JP, Mujahideen Chaudhary, I will read out the elections details in a minute. For the election of all BCA members of East of England Region 1. This is from the Election Commissioner. We were 8th of September 2017. One for each post of 10 office. No nominations were made for each post. We hereby declare that all nominees office bearers, and then Mr. Mujahideen Chaudhary will read out the remaining executive members. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam.
सामने आ जाओ आगे
Vice President Janab Jia, Secretary Janab Treasurer Janab Abdul Khalid Chaudhary, Joint Treasurer Janab Shahabuddin Surukmiya. The rest of the post will declare my colleague Janab Mujahid Chaudhary.
Executive Member Manna Chaudhary.
just 1 minute.
ECI. May I welcome him for a short speech, please? Thank you. Big round of applause, please.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much. First of all, আমি আল্লাহ লাখ লাখ শুকরিয়া আদায় করলাম আমাদের তৌফিক দিয়েছেন আপনারা সামনে আজকে আমি খাড়াইতে পারছি। ধন্যবাদ আপনারা অনেক দূর দূর থেকে কষ্ট করে আইছেন। My heartfelt thanks to you all for your valuable time. On behalf of BCA East of England Region 1 পক্ষ থেকে আপনারা আবারও আমি অভিনন্দন থ্যাংক ইউ দিলাম যে আপনারা ভ্যালুয়েবল টাইম দিলেন। This is my first day as a president of East of England region. I'm a bit panicking, nervous, I'm not used to it. I will be, my promise.
You look gorgeous. Yes, yes, very good, man. Well done.
Thank you, thank you. Without your support, is nothing impossible. I think East of England region, 3 counties, there's a lot of opportunity to improve. And my promise with my colleagues, with my team, I'll try my best. Day and night for BC. I'm starting again. BCA Central Committee. আপনারা লাগে কিছু খাওয়া দাওয়ার ব্যবস্থা আছে আপনারা এনজয় করবার ব্যস্ততা ইভিনি আর ফাইনালি আমি আর সকলের জন্য
Thank you, Saiful Alam. I would also like to call on stage Firazul Haq, newly elected member. Secretary.
Day and night for BC. Mr. I'm starting again. BCS Center Committee. আপনারা সময় লাগে আপনারা লাগে কিছু খাওয়া দাওয়ার ব্যবস্থা আছে আপনারা এনজয় করবেন রেস্টটা ইভিনিং আর ফাইনালি আমি আর সকলের ধন্যবাদ দিই
Thank you, Saiful Alam. I would also like to call on stage Firazul Haq, newly elected member.